Namaste and welcome to Yoga with Adrian. And in today's sequence, we're going to be doing some abdominal work. So we're going to do a lot of work with the core for the front of your abs, the side of your abs, and of course your butt. And to help us today, we have our little trusty water bottle friend. So any bottle that you have or any type of simple weights, you can just fill it with water, and we'll use this as our assistant today to help us get a stronger abdominal. Now, first of all, let's just put this one side, and we're going to warm up with, as usual, 3 to 5 rounds of sun salutations, after which let's come into a nice plank to warm up the abdominals. So come to all four position, making sure that the shoulders are over the wrist, and from here let's extend the right leg back and the left leg back into a nice plank, making sure that you're not dropping the belly down and the chest and your gaze is looking slightly forwards. Now, fingers are spread wide, and let's stay here for a few breaths, making sure to keep the shoulders strong, tucking in the core, and from here, let's lift our right leg up into a single leg plank and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, right foot down and left foot up. And we're holding here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left foot down, right foot up and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right foot down, left foot up. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and left foot down. Now from here, let's just slowly come down onto our elbows, and we're going to challenge our arms. So with the left palm on the ground, looking forwards, the right hand up, and we're holding here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, right hand down, left hand up, and we hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, left hand down, right hand up, look forwards, core strong. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right hand down, left hand up, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left hand down, and from here the knee down and push back to child's pose to stretch the shoulders out. Take 2 deep breaths here. 1 more deep breath. And from here, let's come up into a sitting position, and let's work on the front of our abdominals. We're seated in a nice bend knee position, toes pointing straight, and let's take our little water buddy here. Now from here, we're going to extend our bottle buddy out at shoulder level, arms straight, and as we inhale, we're going to lean the body back as far as you can go. And exhale, sit up and push the bottle up. Now, inhale, back, exhale, up. Let's speed it up. Inhale, roll back as far as you can go. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Let's go. And down, and exhale up. 5 more. Inhale down as far as you can go. Exhale up. Inhale down, and exhale up, and inhale down, and exhale up. Making sure to squeeze the thighs in. Last 2, and down. and exhale up. Last one. Don't give up. Down and up. And release the bottle down. Hug your arms around your knees and rest your forehead on your knees. Now, if you like, you can easily do 2 or 3 more sets of this to get a really good workout on the core. Or if you're just beginning, then you can try 1 set, and the next day you can slowly increase the amount of reps you do. And now let's work out our obliques. So we come to a nice seated position, making sure to squeeze the thighs in, and we're going to bring our bottle body here, extending our body all the way straight in line with the shoulders, and we're going to lean back as far as you can go, and then exhale to twist, keeping the gaze on your bottle body. Inhale to come back to the center, stretch forward as far as you can go, and we're going to lean back as far as you can go, and exhale, twist to the left. Inhale back to center, stretch forward. Let's do another 6 more. So back, exhale to twist to the right. Inhale back, stretch forward, lean back, exhale to the left. And in front, stretch forward and back, exhale, twist. Inhale back, stretch forward, lean back, exhale, twist. Inhale back, forward, back, exhale, twist, and forward, and lean back, and twist. Inhale back to center, and forward, lean back, exhale, twist. Inhale forward, and back, exhale, twist. Inhale center, forward, last one. Lean back, exhale, twist. Inhale center and forward and back. Exhale, twist. Inhale forward and release with the bottom body down. Bring the knees in, hug your arms around the knees, and rest the forehead. Catch a deep breath here. Good job, everyone. Now, from here with the knees bent, let's gently roll down to the ground. And we're still using our bottle body. So knees bent, making sure the toes are facing forwards. And we're going to hold our body right above the chest. So make sure we don't drop the bottle on the chest. Okay, and we're going to maintain the bottle directly in line with the shoulders over the chest. So don't bring it over the face. And we're going to tuck our chin in and just push the bottle up and down. Push the bottle up and down. Let's keep going. Push the bottle up and down. Hold tightly. Push the bottle up and down. Keep going. 10 more. Up and down. So we exhale strongly to go up. Inhale to go down. Exhale up and down. Keep the bottle over the chest. Up and down. And remember, you can fill as much water as you need to increase the weight or reduce the water to make it easier for yourself. And we're coming to the end. Last 2. Exhale to go up and down. And we gently release the bottle down and bring both the knees to the chest. Hug your arms around the knees. And if you want a stronger workout, just feel free to pause the video and you can do another 2 or 3 more sets. Now just gently roll side to side, releasing the stress on the back of the spine, releasing all the tension. And from here, let's gently bring our feet down to the ground. Now for a final one, we're going to work our hamstrings and butt, especially our butt. Okay, so this is the nice butt part of the class. So we're going to walk our heels in close to the hip, palms on the ground, and let's warm up with a nice bridge. From here, inhale, and we're just going to squeeze our thighs and our butt, pushing it up as high as you can, palms on the ground. Squeeze the butt, push it up. Hold for 5, 4, the hip higher, 3, 2, 1, and then exhale, gently release your hip down to the ground. Now for the next one, we're going to do movement. So we're going to push our butt up like the bridge, except that we're going to use our right leg and extend up. So from here, we're going to point our right toes up to the sky, and we're going to do movement. So 10 rounds on the left leg. Make sure the left heel is pressing hard on the ground. Don't lift the heel off the ground. From here, let's begin. Inhale and up, and exhale down. 9 more. Inhale up, exhale down. Make sure the knees are pointing up, up, and down. 7 more. Exhale up and down, up and down. Inhale up and down. Inhale up and down. Last 4. Inhale up and down. Don't give up. Up and down. Last 2. Up and down. Last 1. Up and down, and release the right foot down and bring both the knees to the chest. Stretch out the lower back first. 1 more deep breath. Reset the feet. Walk the feet in. Toes facing forwards. From here, let's work our left leg. Left toes up to the sky. Now from here, press hard on the right heel and push the hip up and down. Push the hip up and down. 8 more. Push the hip up and down. Hip up and down. Last 6. Up and down. Get those hips up and down. Up and down. Oh no, I've lost count. Last 3. Last 2. And inhale up and down, and release the knees down. Hug both the knees to your chest. Gently roll side to side, releasing all the stress in the lower back. And if you like, you can do a simple twist at the end of this sequence, or you can go straight into a savasana and let the whole body relax after that intense abdominal workout. So I hope you enjoyed that short little sequence of abdominal workout. And of course, I'm only showing you a little short sequence. So if you like a more intense workout, feel free to go ahead and do 2 to 3 sets of all the exercises that you saw here today. Or you can just break it up into shorter sets if you're just beginning. And of course, after your workout, remember to rehydrate with your bottle buddy. And if you like this video, do give me a like, and do remember to subscribe at the bottom so you can be informed every time a new video comes out. So namaste, thank you, have a good day, and hope you had a good workout.